China made. Power tool. Two extra jig saw blades. Allen wrench. Comes in English. Extra springs.
A few moments later. Thousand years later. Eternity later.
After reading the manual, I know now how to install this blades for my first jigsaw core tool. Comes with a cord wrap, 220 volts hexa Allen range, 220 volts plug. This is the lock switch, the trigger switch, the handle, the cover. This is the frame, and there's a cover for this lock, hexa Allen lock here. To loosen up, this is where you put your blades. Make sure it is facing forward. Insert it into the hole. Make sure that it rides on this roller. I already loosened up this hexa Allen. At the bottom. Rides the roller here, so we have to tighten this up. Tighten it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Don't make it too tight. You might tighten it enough. Adjust the angle of the frame or guide. You can loosen this hexa Allen range Allen lock here, 2 locks. Looks like it's straight already. It's tight enough. Cover it. This is where the sawdust will come out. It's time to test it. Good to go.